Alright guys, welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So today we got a nice little box here. It's actually quite big. This guy right here. So for a couple years I've been thinking about getting a box for the back of my Can-Am Outlander. So we're going to be taking a look at this box. It's the 23 gallon. It's from Can-Am itself. I was looking at some other brands. We went this one. It's a little bit more money. No, it's about the same. It's about the same price. A little bit smaller. But let's crack it open and see what it's about. So this is a nice view of inside. We got some foam pads here on either side. And now it does work, this particular model will work with the 2-up, and that's why I got it. All right, we'll spin it around. So we do have, it's not a light, it's a reflective sticker, and we got 2 latches on the side, which a lot of people say just put a pin in or a carabiner, and that works just very good to prevent it from unhooking while you're on the trails. So this is it. We have a really nice gasket. I'll probably bring you guys in a little closer. The box itself provides decent amount of storage, and then it gets locked in by 2 twist turn. I think it's a link Q connection system with the Can-Am rack, so it's very easy to install. And then I think we got some hooks underneath to kind of lock it from moving around and stuff like that. So as I can see, we had this really nice gasket right there. Seals up beautifully. A couple nice latches. If you guys can see, yeah, see right there? That's how you lock it in. And there's one on this side as well. There you go. You know, it's a decent amount of storage. I wish the hole was a little bit wider, a little bit bigger, so you can put some stuff in. But I think this will serve a huge amount of purpose for like tow straps and a whole bunch of things that you might want to be carrying with you on your ride, a lunch or something like that. I think it'll work out just fine. And of course it has that Can-Am logo. Okay guys, so for the instructions, since Can-Am or BRP does not give you the instructions, it's all online, which I think is good and bad. And in some sense, I like to have a paper copy and I can just look at it right there. But you can pull it up on your phone, laptop, whatever. So all it does is it brings you to a website that looks like this, and all you gotta do is put in your product number. And then this is what comes up for my product number that I put in. So it's a 715004923. And then we just click on that, which I have on another link right here, which brings you over here. So this is exactly what you need to do. Gives you torque specs if you want to follow the torque specs to the T. There's a couple different ways to install this. So as you can see here, these are all the parts that it gives you. So there's 2 different ways. If you have the link Q system, rack system, all you need is this guy right here, which is basically this guy right here. And it comes with this plate, and then the 2 bigger screws that kind of look like this. I'll show you guys over on the side in a second. If you have the this type of frame rack, you'll be using a different method. So the highlighted red areas, and as we can scroll down, oh, maybe scroll up a little bit, you'll be adding those 2 clips. Now if you have this rack mount system, which I have, all you're going to do is this spot right here. the highlighted red spot. It asks you to do a drill, which is 5/16 drill. That seems really big, but I guess it allows you a little bit of adjustability to move it left, right, to align everything properly. I'm gonna start with a smaller hole, and basically this is how I would mount it. That little clip inside or outside, the plate inside with 2 screws, and they thread into these 2 spots right here, if you can see. Then there's going to be a little bit of adjustment to move this front and back or whatever. That'll take a little bit of time, I assume. And that's pretty much it. Like, it tells you exactly how to do it. This is the guy that we're going to be looking at. We're going to drill a couple holes, put everything in. That part will be really easy. I think the hardest part of this whole thing, and it's not really a hard part, just might take a little bit of time, is just getting everything aligned properly so it's fitting just right. But, we're going to take this off, just get it out of the way so we can get the box on and adjusted properly, and there'll be nothing in our way. Alright guys, so these are all the things that you're going to need to have. This piece just hooks on the bottom. This will be inside, and then these bigger bolts here, the Torx bit will be the ones you use. These are some of the other things you have, the smaller screws and these clips. There's rubber coated on the hook part, so it'll protect your machine. So this is the guy that it says it needs you to use, which is a 5/16. That is very big, right here. And so again, you're going to need a Torx 20, but it's pretty easy. They give you a couple holes to drill, and go ahead. I believe it goes this way. It's going to be a bit of a trick to this. Have to get it in, slide it in, there we go. Man, that was pretty easy. So basically you're going to have to come in, get that hook in and slide it, and then put the front down. But man, I think that's, I got that first try. Yeah, I think it's in a good spot. Well, that's going anywhere. Beauty. Beautiful. Well, I didn't think I was going to get that in the first try. I thought there'd be a lot more adjustments. I did see a video online just briefly to actually just research about these boxes and to see if that's the one I was going to go with. And the guy was having a lot of issues trying to get it in and everything, but to me, it got it. Seems like first try. Now I'm going to go with this. I mean, it feels very solid on there. If I do have any issues, I will adjust that little silver hook. But for right now, I think we've got it. Bang on. Come take a look, and actually couldn't be more pleased how easy that was. So those we just turn, and we lock them. If you want to unlock it, right now it's unlocked, and it's just a quarter turn. Same on that side. This is the plate we just put in and screwed on, and it's pretty solid. I don't know if you guys can really see. Oh, maybe under here. See, that's that hook. That's that silver hook we just put on, and it doesn't really lift up or go anywhere. Like, it feels, I mean, obviously it's got a little bit of wiggle, but when you got a little bit of weight in there and everything, I think we nailed it. It might have to come forward just a tiny bit, maybe, but it seems solid. It seems to be on there. All we'll do is just tighten those screws down a bit. It'll be good. Vacuum this out, and I think we're good to go. That's a nice, nice box. See if I can do this one hand. Boom. That's it. Man, that's a nice looking box. I think it's going to give me quite a bit more storage room, especially when I go hunting. I like to hunt in the fall and whatnot. Actually, I can start as early as August, I think, with bow, so I think I'm a lot better spot this year. I used to have like a backpack I'd put on, and I might still take a backpack, but at least I can put some stuff in there, like maybe some of my gear, stuff like that. It's just going to really help out quite a bit. And yeah, I'm super happy with it so far. Just installed it. We will do another video just to show you guys in 6 months, maybe after the season here, when it gets to like November or December. We'll do another kind of look at it. I will have used it quite a bit more, so we'll get a better picture of how it is, and then maybe we'll take a look at it again next year and just kind of see, is it something worth getting or not. But right now, it serves my purpose. I think it'll be all right. Like I said, the only concern I might have is just the opening is not terribly big. I can't fit my helmet in there if that is a thing you guys were trying to look for. My helmet doesn't fit in it, but maybe a different style helmet or whatever can fit in there, but I can't seem to get it. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. The install was super quick and easy. Thanks guys for watching. Hopefully this video helps in some way, shape, or form, whether it's install, whether it's potential, see if this is a potential box you would like to have. But that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, never stop learning.